Just had a repair person here to fix the LF code on the Maytag Bravos XL top-load washing machine. Says the water inlet valves and test fine, no kinks or clogs, so he did not repair anything. Tried a load just now and it appears that the washer filled up fine, then sat there for quite some time with no movement and then displayed LF code and drained. Any thoughts?
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your washer. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. To start, error LF means that the washer is taking too long to fill, which it sounds like you are aware of. The washer gives itself 6 minutes to fill up to the proper water level during the washer and rinse cycle, and if it doesn't reach the correct level in that time frame, you get this error code. I know it appeared that your washer filled up fine and then sat there doing nothing, but the reality is that it may have filled up some, and the washer was waiting for it to fill up more. It never filled up with enough to satisfy the control board, so the LF error eventually appeared on the screen. Often this repair can be made without calling an appliance repairman and without ordering parts. Start by removing the washer fill hoses, both the cold and the hot water hoses. Check for proper water pressure from the house. To do so, turn the water on and put the hose inside the washer or a bucket. If water pressure is good, check the water valve inlet screens. Most residential washing machines have inlet screens. The screens prevent minerals from clogging the solenoid. With the hoses removed, you can visually inspect the water inlet screens. If the water valve screens are clear, the inlet valve with the screens itself will need to be replaced on the washer. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
The repair person says if still not working, he can replace the water inlet valve part. Or replace the memory board, perhaps the control board. All of the above recommendations were done with nothing found, but he also tested the inlet valve part and did not find anything wrong with it. He says sometimes it can be starting to go bad and that's the problem. I just don't know which part to replace. If I end up doing both, I should have bought a new machine. Although mine is only about 5 years old.
The board isn't causing the problem, but yes, you may need a new inlet valve.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.